God site no make him sin, sabi lo lusim sin. Tasol yuyet, you mas lusim sin o nogat. Osem wanem yu ba inaplusim sin blo manu site make him nogut lo yu. All walk man Mary blo God osem David. I make him good pla. Tasol sampla time all kisim pay nongut. You can read him Psalm 109:4. Bilong bekim like him true belong me. All stop all birwa belong me. Tasol me give him me yet long beten. Na only bin make him pasin nogut long me. Bilong bekim good pela pasin. Na pasin bilong ino like him true. Bilong bekim pasin bilong me long like him true. One something bin make him David bel heavy mo. One plow site bin ka mabirwa long this pla pikinini man blongem mo site like simples blongem lo siya king Absalom. Pikinini man blongem mo site bin like make him nogut longem. Tasol yet like him tumas this pla pikinini blongem. Pikinini blongem mo site like him tumas. Yet bin plan lo kilim die na kisim siya king blongem. Ating naraplaman no bin make him yet long yu kay nongut osem. Pasin against lo David nogut mo na long Christ. Bin oray tim all sick man opim aiblo olay pas na bin kirapim all die man na olay kilim die. You can read him 10:31 blood John. Now all Jew kisim all stone gen bilong tromo stone longem. Jesus ibekim tok longol. Planti gut pela walk mi binsoy miu pela ikam long papa bilong mi. Bilong wanem bilong all days pela walk yu pela itromo stone long mi. Mi bin mekim planti gut pla yu pla. Bilong wanem yu pla stone mi. Ating narap laman no stone mi et yu ha. All bin stone him Christ. Na all like kill him die. David to one kind. All bin round him. All man low sight and bin make him good pla. All like kill him die. Ask him osem wanem you by forgive him. Mak him Christ. All kill him die lo diway cross. Baiten block Christ. Papa, lose him sin blong all no sabi, all make him wanem. Nice plus something blogim bel easy. Time you talk osem, birwa you no sabi, make him wanem. Because true, you know got ting no good longem. You know make him no good longem. Tasol, wok lo make him no good lo you. No make him good pla lo you. Tasol, make him no good lo you. You by make him wanem, mak him Christ. All kill him die. Tasol, baiten yet blo help him all say kill him die. Time you peel him osem, you by inap lose him sin blo narapla. You can read him Ephesus chapter 4 verse 32. Na you pela must make him good pela pasin one pela igolong nara pela. One time bell ino strong. Time you pela ilusim wrong one pela igolong nara pela. Yes, osem God bilong tingim Christ. Ibin lusim all wrong bilong you pela. Osem wanem you mi ba ilusim sin. Osem God bin lusim sin blo you pla. Sapos you ba iskelim one tem. God no bin make him sin lo you. Tasol bin forgive him you. You yet. You by lose him sin osem God bin lose him sin. Time you scale him one time. God site no make him sin. Sabi lo lose him sin. Tasol you yet. You must lose him sin o nogat. Yes. Because you make him sin to stop. Na Christ bin talk lo 6:14 blo Matthew. Long wanem. Sapos you pela ilusim long all man all pasin bilong sakim lo bilong all. Papa bilong you pela stop long heaven by lusim bilong you pela tu. Tasol, sapos you pela ino lusim long all man all pasin bilong sakim lo bilong all. Papa bilong you pela tu by ino inap lusim all pasin bilong sakim lo bilong you pela. Time you lusim sin, God by lusim sin blo you tu. You yet, true, you say make him sin ha. No good, ino lo displamano site you tok longen. Taso longol narapla, nogut you make him sin. Long Mary, long Pikinini, long Kandre, na longol narapla yet. Time you lose him sin lo displaman, God by lose him displasin, you bin make him lo narapla. You yet to side case him good pla, time you lose him sin. God say lose him sin osem wanem. You can read him 8:12 lo Hebrew. Long wanem mi by stop pull up long sorry, long all pasin ino straight pela bilong all. No sin bilong all. na all sin nogut bilong all by me no inap tingim gen mo. Sapos you by ting nice pla true. Blong wanem, God inap tingim all kita something inap true. No inap lus ting ken tingim all kita something. Tasol, maski inap true lo tingim all kita something. Tok lo, nice plus something you mi ken tingim. Wanem, all sin blong all by me no inap tingim gen mo. Tingim, by lus ting all kita. Sabe lusim sin osem. You can make him osem. Behind him God. Look sabe long God. You sabe, o kita bell fight blue by penis. You sabe, osem. Mi by gim ting luyo. Time you got bell fight. All time i got kain hormone isa ka maplanti mo. One pla kain hormone blow body sego on top mo. All hormone blow you by no stop lo scale. Pasin blow hate. Bel no good. Jealous. All something fight stop height. All senisim hormone blow you. You can read him this plan, Brata Daniel. Kay blow belat. Blong Tyla Woods. All walk blow pay ni mouth lo sight blow body na ting ibinsoim osem maskyo exercise o kay straight. You can kamapim birwa long yuyet. Sapos you no bosim belat blow you. Belat ikamapim planti kay nongut long body. Time belat stop long pla time. All man can got all suwa lo bel na rope lo kay hat lo pekpek wara, pen lo bel rope. All hiccup. Ino inabrokim kay all time, bagarapikisim pam, all stroke, all sick blow kidney, pat platumas, na kus planti time. O sabi man doktay bin lukim belat igat kay lumasol blow pam, na true, belat ken downim strong blow pam, long pamim straight blood. All kay blow belat stop long pla time, iken bagarapim hap ibig plol geta blow body, skin. Planti time, all manusay tolim belhat, igat all sick blow skin, osem all ras, all sigirap, all wart, eczema, na all kirap nongut. All man blow walk pay ni mouth, ibin stadim, osem wanem belhat, ikamapim all sick blow skin, na pay ni mouth, osem time one plaman istretim belhat blongem, all sick blow skin, ikamap alright good. One pla blow all big pla kay blow belhat lo body, body lusim all chemical na hormone lo blood. Display no gutol geta. Belat can make him body lusim all chemical na hormone lo blood. Time body lusim all hormone lo blood because lo belat you holim pas lo bel. Gat kay ino long muscle blo pam tasol. Tasol senisim tu all pasin na all ting blo yumi na display making body lo kamapim all hormone na chemical blow bagarapim body all geta. As blow planti sick. Osem na yu sabi, lose tingim tasol osem, yu sight. Yu big plo osem wanem na by mi cross lo yu long pla time. Mi by ting tasol osem yu no stop. Because God bin talk, time bel blow you amamas, osem you bring him good plamaras in true.